Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you had an issue with your Messenger notifications, the first thing you need to do is to open your iPhone settings and then scroll down and click on the notifications option. Then scroll down and then in this list of applications you need to find Messenger. So, and then click on that right up here. Then you need to make sure you enabled allow notifications, and then you need to make sure you enabled all these options such as sounds, badges, lock screen, notification center, banners. So enable these all options, so it is very important. After that you need to scroll down and then you need to click on the last one option, Messenger notification settings. After that, this page will be automatically opened. So you need to make sure you disable the first one option, do not disturb, and then enabled all other options such as new messages and activities suggested for you, invites, and other options. So after that, you need to click on the done button at the top right. So after that, the last thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner, and then you need to make sure you disabled all focus modes. So like do not disturb, walk, sleep. So if these options, some of these options are enabled, you need to disable them. So, and that's all, and that's how to fix Facebook Messenger notifications. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.